This is the Legacy 50s Blackguard in vintage white Telecaster. And probably the coolest thing about this whole guitar is that everything is specced out like a 50s Tele. Obviously this is not an actual 50s Tele, but this this relic job I modeled after a 50s Tele. The neck is a 7 1/4 radius. Down to the tuners, to the style of the pickups, an actual Bakelite Blackguard pickguard. And another lovely thing is I changed the wiring around in this, so this is actually a dark circuit. So here we go. So in the dark circuit, the cool thing is when you're in position 3 here, I think that's called position 3, what you get is a really kind of bassy tone. It's great for jazz, and eventually later they changed it to more modern wiring. So the modern wiring would go neck here, and then in this position you would have neck and bridge, and then in this position you would have just the bridge. But in the old dark circuit, you have this really cool bassy. So you get that cool bassy tone. And then if you go here to the middle position, what you get is your neck pickup. That lovely Tele sound. Yeah, that's pretty sweet, right? And then, of course, when you go to the bridge, you get the full-on twang fest. So that is giving you a general idea of the switching of the tone on that. Let me know what you guys think about the dark circuit. There's a lot of debate about it. Some people absolutely love it. Those early 50s Teles and 60s Teles, there's a lot of dark circuits in there before they changed things around. But you know what? I gotta say, I was a little bit surprised with how much I like it. And I tend to like that neck pickup. I tend to like that bassy tone, but I like that muted. It's kind of that buttery, just that thickness. So let me guys know what you think of this finished guitar. Had a lot of fun building this one, and I think it turned out really great. And I already sold it, so shipping it off today. So there is a awesome gentleman who is now the proud owner of this guitar. So if you're interested in one of these, send me a message, let me know. Alright guys, thanks again. That's not what I say. What do I say? I don't even remember. Have a good day.